changing on like it was changing like to a darker, so I'm like cracking.
Oh yeah, copy. Wait, are you shooting at it? Don't do that.
Right now, our best place to put valuable stuff like this is right here
Yeah.
because it's protected and it's not easily seen.
And captain's quarters kind of.
Yeah,
Average.
but
The best place is
the top of the
really
crow's nest.
on the tip or the crow's nest, yeah.
Yeah.
Because like even the kegs too, like if they blow up, they won't do that much damage.
No. I was reading that putting on the tip actually puts it in danger of breaking the mast easier.
Yeah, but in a 3-mast ship, you're better off putting it on the coaster because the worst thing that can happen is one of your masts go down. Let's say if it was a sloop, then that would be like your only mast, so you'd be a sitting duck. So in that situation, you're just better off putting it on the tip, but in a galleon, you're better off putting it on the top.
Alright, which way, Wolf?
Let's see. The island after this one, like not the little one, not the middle, like right in between them both. You see what I'm talking about?
Like to the left or right?
Just turn east, turn east, turn east.
East?
Go east. Alright, straighten up and it's straight ahead.
Alright.
Keep on straight. You'll hit that.
There's a super inbreeding thing. Right? Yeah, that's a super inbreeding thing. Everybody.
Yeah, they're fighting. Alright,
Everybody.
cannons.
Village boy to the bottom.
Yep. Gamer boy to the bottom. I want you loaded with wood, ready to repair.
Let me get a.
Do you need help building? If anything, I'll come down there.
Let me get a sword. Sorry. Coming back.